This is the opening home screen for the CAP Commission Toolbox. The first step when using CAP is to search and transfer sale transaction data directly from your back office database or from the data manually imported or entered into CAP. At the top left side of the CAP home screen, you will see a button labeled Search/Filter. To display CAP's search screen, select this button. This is the CAP search screen, where you can use any number of search criteria items in any combination to locate specific sale transaction records from your back office database. The first search criteria item is data source. There are two options when the pull-down pick list is selected. CAP must know where you want to search for the sale transaction data. There are only two options available from the pull-down list. Live will instruct CAP to search your live back office database. Manual load will instruct CAP to locate the sale records from data imported or manually entered into CAP. In this lesson, I will select Live to let CAP know I want to search the live database. CAP can be used with any back office solution. Some back office solutions can be connected directly to CAP. Others will require the back office data to be bulk loaded into CAP or manually entered using CAP's manual entry option. The next search item is Associate/Plan. Only two options are available. Associate will search for the sale records and display the results by Sales Associate. Plan will display the search results by Commission Plan. CAP can use sale records that are either closed or pending. This next search item will instruct CAP to only use closed or pending sale data. In this lesson, closed was selected. CAP also requires a date range when searching for specific sale transaction records for an analysis. Double-clicking the Start Date item will display a convenient calendar. Simply select the start date using the calendar options. Double-clicking the End Date will pop up the convenient calendar. Using the calendar's options, select a date that represents the end date for the search. When entering dates, you do not have to use the pop-up calendar. If you find it more convenient, you can manually type in the dates you want for the search. The next search item is Company Number. If your real estate organization has multiple tax ID numbers and your back office solution separates your sale transactions by company, you can use this search option to find specific sale transaction records by the company number assigned to them. Leaving company number blank will select all sale records for all companies. Associate name and number, branch number, and plan name are self-explanatory. Simply enter the appropriate search information you want for the search. You can also leave these search items blank, and CAP will ignore them when searching for sale transaction records. The CAP search feature uses Wildcards when searching for sale records. If you are not familiar with Wildcards, this simply means you only need to type in a few letters of the search criteria you are entering. For example, entering the letters S, M, and I for associate last name will find all associates with these three letters, like Smith, Smithers, Smithson, etc. CAP allows you to create off-the-top deduction strategies. To make the analysis and comparison meaningful, you can search your sale transaction records that have off-the-top deductions on the original sale records. The off-the-top search item has three options. Selecting All will ignore whether or not there are any off-the-top deductions on the sale records. Selecting Lie for Yes will only find sales that have off-the-top deductions, and N for No will only locate sales that do not have off-the-top deductions. This is important when you want your analysis to be an apples-to-apples comparison. Creating a comparison analysis using off-the-top deductions is only meaningful when the original sale records match the hypothetical strategy you are creating within the CAP analysis run. Off-the-bottom deduction strategies can also be analyzed and compared within CAP. As with the off-the-top deductions, searching the original sale transaction records for off-the-bottom deductions makes the analysis a more meaningful apples-to-apples comparison. The last step in the search process is to click the Search button to instruct CAP to commence the search using the search criteria items we just entered. CAP will search your back-office sale transaction data using the search criteria items entered. With Plan selected, the search results are displayed by the commission plan name in the right grid. The next step is to transfer the sale transaction data found in the search from your back-office database into the CAP database. To start the process, select a commission plan name from the list above. In this example, Broker Plan C was highlighted by simply clicking on the name. Selecting the Process Results button will get the process started. The amount of time to reclose and recalculate the sale transaction records will depend upon the number of sale records associated with the plan name selected in the previous search screen. The status bar at the top of the screen illustrates the progress. Once completed, the sale transactions are transferred into CAP, ready to be compared against other existing or new test plans. The reclose and recalculation process within CAP created an exact duplicate of the sale transaction data within your back-office database. This concludes Lesson 1. You now have the necessary instructions to search your back-office data for specific sale transaction records and transfer the data into the CAP application.